Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Chris here. Wanted to bring you guys an update on Litecoin. This is going to be a real quick one. It's going to be Litecoin on the 1 day. And guys, if you could like, subscribe, all that, I really appreciate it. It's great to be here with you. I'm going to show you one or two things that I'm really looking for some confirmation in Litecoin. So first of all, guys, the Litecoin price is at $83.80. And what we're going to go through here is the highs and the lows first. Okay, things I want to show you. So here's our low here at 72. Then we came up, we had our high, then we had our higher low, then we came up here off this wick, we had a higher high, then we had a higher low down here, then we came up a lower high, higher low, and now we're kind of just moving sideways here, and we kind of have this inside bar forming. And guys, what I'm looking for is for us to close over top of this green line here, which is our 20 EMA, and that's at $83.88. So I'm looking for us to close over top of that, and then what we need to do is also get over top of the 50 moving average. And what I'm hoping to see is these cross. I want to see this 20 go up above this 50 right here. So that's the cross that we're looking for, and then eventually what we want to do is have good volume accompany this. So we're looking for a break. We have this inside bar taking place, and we have this sideways consolidation right now. We want that close up above the 20, and then we want to see confirmation and a break up above this high here of 94.63, and that's the, excuse me guys, that's the wick when people were taking profits right there. You can really see that strong wick, but this needs to be accompanied by that real strong volume, excuse me guys, to get up above this 50 moving average as well. That's a really big one that we can get up above that and close up above that in the next couple days. And then this is the line I have drawn on the RSI. We're kind of looking at that. It has a downward tilt right now, but we're going to see if it bounces off that line and makes a move up to see if we can get over top of this 56 on the RSI. So those are the things that I'm looking at right now, guys. I wanted to bring to you, just kind of seeing this pattern tighten, and that's what you're seeing, this sideways movement. And I really want to see good volume come in, and for us to get up above that, come up, test this psychological mark here at 100. So let's draw some horizontal lines here. So right in here is our 100. You can see, guys, right in this little range is going to be our overhead resistance. Then our next one that I feel like eventually we're going to get to, we're going to come up here and we're going to be drawn to this 142, this 200-day moving average, which kind of acts as a magnet in terms of, you know, support and resistance. We may have to go up there like we do many resistances, come up, test it once, come back down, and then have power to get through it. But that's what we need to do on this scale right here for the 50 moving averages, to get up through that with good volume and to also close above that 20 EMA, which is a very strong indicator in cryptocurrency especially. So you guys keep your eyes on that. You know our resistance. We know we want to see this cross, and let me know what you guys are doing as well. Leave down in the comments, are you buying, selling, are you just looking, sitting back right now, got some cash on the side? Tell me what you're doing, guys. And I'm just going to finish by looking at this MACD here for a second. So you can see the histogram going down a little bit. This is kind of flattening out, so it's just that kind of sideways movement. Whether we're going to go up or down is going to depend on that strong bullish volume or bearish volume. If we do have a break, you know, we're going to come down here, test that 80.79 support. If we don't get support there, we're going to be falling back down, guys, probably to that 72. On the upside, we have the 86, and then we have the 94, and then that psychological of 100. And then if we can break through that, we're going to have a little bit of room to run up here to about that 130. If we can get past the 100, use that as support, and then start moving back up. But that's the way it has to happen, guys. We're flattening out, which is a good thing. If we look at this, see why that cross is so important. And when we broke through that 200-day moving average there, guys, it's just overhead resistance now. Want to be on top of that. See how long we were on top of that? Right here. Even here we came down, we bounced off it, and then that's when we lost it. We have to get up above it, and that's why I'm basically telling you guys we're very oversold now, because we should at least be testing that fairly soon. But you know what? Cryptocurrency has a mind of its own. Litecoin's doing big things. We've seen all the partnerships, everything that's going on with the bank, all that, guys. It's really going to be one, in my opinion, that's going to be great. And it's just we're going to have to wait for this alt season to come. But guys, this is a good sign that we're at least moving just sideways here. and I think we're probably going to make a move up. And my gut feeling would be a slight move up here. See if we can test that 100 here in the near future. But remember, I'm not your financial advisor, and you got to do your own research to look at everything. But we have broken out of this overall downtrend just from right there. So we are outside that. Now's our time to start moving back up, hopefully. But God bless each and every one of you. I hope you have a wonderful day. We're at 83.77 right now, and let's see if we can find that bottom, move sideways before we make the next move up, break some overhead resistances. God bless.